Hey you guys, if you want to know how I got these gorgeous moisturized bouncy curls just for my wash and go, then keep watching this video. School is kicking my ass. Like, bro, nobody told me that college was gonna be like this. Mom, I blame you for all this. No, no, but literally, I know when I'm about to take an L, when I'm prospering in school. I'm doing good. I'm getting A's, A's, A's. An L's coming, sis. An L is coming. If these aren't gonna work. There we go. Now I'm blind. Nothing new. Hey y'all. I'm Jalen, and this is my first YouTube video. And you know, this is my third time trying to make a video. They say third time's a charm, so this better work because I'm not doing this again. So, hair. This, as you see, this bun is not my hair. It's wash day. A natural's favorite day of the week. Now, this is actually not a bun. Well, it's a bun, but this is a braid that I did on Valentine's Day. So it's been about 3 days. 3 days too long. And, oh, this is what we're working with. Every natural will tell you that wash day is their least favorite day of the week. It's just so annoying. Like, why does it have to be like this? Why? But that's okay, because today I'm going to show you how I do my wash and goes. Hopefully this will help make your wash days just great. I've had this braid in, I told y'all, for about 3 days. It's crusty. It's time for it to go. Now, if you don't find this video helpful, I'm sorry. I really am. Now, we're already doing something wrong. Don't do this. Don't follow this part. I'm so tired. School is so hard. Like, I know college isn't supposed to be easy, but it's not supposed to make you sad all the time and stressed out and just want to run away. Literally, college makes me want to run away. New weave, 2019. If you know where that's from, new weave. And this is what we're left with, ladies and gents. This. I'm literally dreading washing my hair. Like, I hate washing my hair. Like, it's just so extra. Like, why? If you see flakes flying, I'm sorry. I'm not dirty. It's just my edge control, and I don't even know. So this is what we have. This is what we have so far. This is 3 days of accumulated got to be freeze blast and eco styler just layered up on top of each other, because that's what you're supposed to do. Gosh, it is hot. I'm sorry. Getting too hot in here. Don't look. I don't detangle my hair before I get in the shower. I just hop right on in. So this is how I'm gonna get into the shower. Just like this. We're back. Hair is washed and detangled. So when I wash and detangle my hair, I use, this is my shampoo. Cantu. I think Cantu works best for me shampoo wise. I just like the way it feels on my hair. And we have this conditioner. I don't think you can. This is the holy grail. If you want your hair to just look nice and silky smooth, like little to no frizz, like this is just great. After I shampoo my hair, I put conditioner in, take a shower, let that sit in, and literally it detangles my hair while it's sitting in there. Then I get a, what is it? A Denman brush, I think that's what it's called. This is your best friend. I've had this for about 4 or 5 years, and like I'm missing a whole row. That's how aggressive I am. This is your best friend, I'm telling you. Great investment. Go cop. I like to part my hair down the middle. Actually, I want to use my fingers. If you want a more natural part, like, see, I know it's not straight, but I don't care, because I don't care. Oh, and I also leave conditioner in my hair just because it makes it soft and nice. Yeah, just make sure your hair is dripping wet, because that's how your hair is just gonna soak up all the product. And I want to also make sure when you're combing it, like, take it off of the root. Don't, like... Next, we're gonna use, I think it's just called curls. It's just called curls. It's called creme brulee whipped curl cream. This is pricey too. Okay, here's the tea. Listen, you know, when I first started my journey with natural hair, I was young and I was broke. So, you know, affordable hair products, the cheap ones were my go-to. As you get older and you start to realize what works for your hair and what doesn't work for your hair, that cheap stuff, literally throw it out, because it's like you're just putting cheap stuff in your hair. Like, no, that defeats the purpose. Oh, and also, believe it or not, I used to be blonde. Yes, I know. I think everyone should go blonde at least once in their life, because it is a phase. I was going through a phase, I admit it. And you just have a lot of fun. Like, being blonde, the maintenance is not fun at all. Like, your hair will literally fall out if you don't take care of it properly. But besides that, like, I'm fine. Like, and I don't like taking care of my hair, but I promise you, going blonde will make you want to take care of your hair, because you don't want to go bald. You don't want to wake up with your hair just sitting on your pillowcase now, do you? Next, I get my good sis, Carol. And we're going to use Carol's Daughter's Nourishing and Conditioning Styling Pudding. Anything that says for dry, brittle hair, that's for me. Anything with moisture, like, I need it. Now this one, I just focus on the ends because it is very thick, like me. I like my ends to be really curly. This is curly, but I like them to be together. So this clumps. Okay, y'all see it. Y'all see how it's curling up at the ends. That's what you want. Oh, I forgot. Lay your edges. Be right back. Just like that. Edges are laid. We're done. I'm gonna show you guys the back. This is our hair. Yes, curls. Yes. So yeah, that's oh it. My gosh, this is our end result, and I'm in love. Oh my gosh, this is probably one of the best wash and goes that I've ever done, for real. I really hope this video helped at least one person with my hair texture. I tried to do my best. I don't know. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you watched it from beginning to end, kudos to you, because oh child, I don't know, but thank you guys so much, seriously. And I guess we're done. Wow, I just filmed my first YouTube video. Wow. I'll see you guys next video. Bye.